How to check the website on-page SEO data easily. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to check the SEO page metadata, page hierarchy, images without alt values, number of links, social media metadata, and other tools. We are going to be using the Chrome browser and extension. Go over to the Chrome Web Store or Google search the SEO meta in one click. Click on the first result. Add extension to Chrome. Let's test the CNN website. Once the page is loaded, click on the SEO extension. Now you can see the SEO metadata under the Summary tab. You can also check the page hierarchy. The number of images without an alt value needs to be fixed. The number of internal links. The social metadata. You can customize your social metadata using an SEO plugin on WordPress like Yoast SEO. By default, this metadata was pulled using your page title, excerpt, and content. So far, this extension is a great add-on for auditing or checking website pages SEO.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.